Hey everyone, I'm Katie Talbot.
I'm Jason Catron.
And we are
Vocal Lab
Collective. I've never started the video off like that. It's always been you.
Yeah, that
was
threw
really
me for a
fun.
loop. I'm not sure how I feel about it.
Well, you know, ladies are rising up. Ooh. Which brings us to...
She did that?
I did.
Brings us to your shoes.
Thank you.
Wow, look at those. What are these pants?
Some pleather.
Oh my goodness.
No
Katie
animal
is
abuse.
ready for this video today.
I'm so ready. You guys have...
We're going back to the Philippines.
Sorry. We are going back to our girls' Fourth Impact.
Fourth Impact.
Would have made quite the impact
on us. Oh my goodness. Fourth Impact, so good.
And then
Love them.
Yes, and then hearing from you guys on the comments and emails even of just what else for us to check out. It's, it's been incredible.
Fourth Impact fans are insanely
amazing.
Like
y'all have the best
loyal,
fans ever.
The best fans. If we could figure out how to get their fans,
can y'all be our fans?
Can we just
too
share
and
fans?
Subscribe?
Can we just share fans? We're going to react today to a really great song. This is actually one of my favorite songs of the past 5 years. Really.
Yeah, it's an amazing song.
Rise Up, an Andre cover.
Yes.
So inspirational.
And it's live.
So
this
powerful.
Is our live.
Yeah, a lot of you guys wanted us to do a live reaction. So here we are. We're just going to dive in. Fourth Impact live. I have no doubt this is going to be great.
Oh
I didn't
gosh.
question it.
No doubt.
But
I'm going to be looking at the outfits though.
Here we go.
Ooh. A little crescendo there. Okay, real quick. Yes. That 1,000 where she almost opens up the vowel and then closes it.
Ooh, good observation.
That's good dynamic, and I like it.
Great dynamic. It's a cool little stylistic thing.
Yeah,
which may at times feel a little pitchy, but it's not.
Yeah.
Happens a lot in gospel music.
It does. Yeah.
A really cool thing.
Yeah.
Woo!
Same thing.
Yeah.
So clean. Here she comes.
It's cool too. They're almost mixing a little classical with gospel with pop. Like,
yeah.
There's some style thing.
I like that. That was really good.
That was tasteful.
I have to make one observation with these girls, with this specific live video. They are being filmed. I mean, I don't know if we're watching on someone's iPhone or something like that, but they're being filmed and they're singing to a piano track. That's it.
Or maybe a live piano.
Or maybe a live piano, yeah. And thank you, yes, live piano. Anyways, it's very vulnerable with filming and everything that goes into live TV with having to hear yourself. It's blowing my mind how on they are. So good. Bosses. Do they make their outfits?
Probably so. They'll tell us.
They're incredible. Let me know if they make their own outfits.
Because Katie wants these, like,
basically. I need a weekend. Stringy things? You're cute. So tasteful. Woo! So tasteful.
That was nice. Yeah, they make it their own. This is cool. Make a song your own.
I'm getting chills. I'm getting moved.
Woo. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it.
What?
That had so many levels. That was so many levels, so many dimensions, from the lowest to the highest little whistle.
Holy cow.
Their own little thing just happened there. Live, making this their song.
Holy cow.
That was freakishly fantastic.
Oh my gosh.
Like,
I'm done.
Done. We need shots. Forget the wine. That was insane.
Holy cow. These women.
Wow. You know, I'm sitting here just thinking, imagine, this is obviously in some kind of studio set.
Right.
Imagine this at the Hollywood Bowl.
Oh my gosh.
Right? Imagine this in Madison Square Garden.
Yes, that's the thing. I'm going to echo you. I've been echoing you a lot today. You've been worth echoing.
Yeah, I do say a lot of great things.
I'm really challenging American singers.
Your mission, should you choose to accept it.
Yes!
Because
Preach.
we are listening to these voices, and as American male and female vocal coaches, we coach people all around the world. But this group in particular just brings it up an insane level.
Yeah.
Insane level.
Yeah.
Individually and together as a group. And it's hard to sing together as a group because you really have to know your place, but still be confident in what you have and who you are with your voice.
Yeah, and that's why family groups typically work so well, because they do know each other so well. But no, you're spot on.
Oh my gosh, America.
We want to work with you all.
Up.
Like, call us. Let's work together.
Yes.
We want to sing with you.
My gosh. I want to wear their outfits.
Same. Come on, girls. Again, now we're at church. Yeah. That's familial harmony right there. Oof.
Wow.
Girls, a Fourth Impact, I'm dead.
Okay.
Sing this at my funeral right now.
I mean, serious.
I'm so dead.
Well, don't die yet.
That was amazing.
We have more videos to watch. So here's the thing. That was flawless, completely flawless. One thing that I would have asked for because they could do it.
Popcorn.
Well, definitely popcorn. Kernel corn. What is it? What is
Kernel corn.
Yeah, kernel.
Kettle corn.
Kettle corn.
We're on a tangent. What would you have asked for?
As they built to do a little bit of a bend. Just leaning into that a little bit more, only because they can, but at the same time, they did that so well because it left me wanting more.
Totally, and that's an artistic thing.
So now I'm just going to go down. Yeah. Now I'm just going to go down the rabbit hole of just watching videos all night. So.
Yeah.
That was
Fourth
incredible.
Amazing. Fourth Impact fans, amazing.
Y'all are the best.
Send us
more videos.
Subscribe to us, all the things.
Yes.
If you're a singer, work with a great coach. Make your voice be just as effortless and impactful and powerful. Doesn't have to be the same. Hear us say that clearly.
Right.
You can be the most somber singer-songwriter in the world.
Right.
And have the same impact vocally as Fourth Impact. Because it is honest, it is real, it is true, it is finessed and stretched and dynamic, all the things.
Exactly.
That's what's important.
Everyone's voice matters, and everyone's voice has its own dynamic and texture. And so it's finding a coach that doesn't want to make you sound like someone else. It's finding a coach like us and our team to show you how to be the best you and your voice
that you can be,
and to push you in that.
Yeah, and I think that's what I like about this song is they took a song that's very well known and famous at this point,
right?
And they made it their own.
Yeah, completely.
It was so
very confidently
good
and very almost subtly, like it's just like
it's like it's theirs.
Yeah.
Fourth Impact, we love you.
We love you and your outfits.
Yes,
Third time I've said it.
We love all of you who tune in and watch us. We love wine.
We love wine.
We love each other.
We love music. We love each other. We love the boys.
Until next time, I'm Jason Catron.
And I'm Katie Talbot.
And we are
Vocal Lab
Collective.